guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isa if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some awesome iPhone cases from Amazon for you to buy. So if you're like me and you like to buy things on Amazon, I got you because I have so many brands that I want to share with you today, and they are actually very affordable, so that is a plus. So I have all of these, and I have this little thing that I'm going to be talking about today as well. So if you're new to my channel, I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got this phone last December and I completely love it. If you haven't watched any of my videos yet, go watch them because I have so many videos talking about iPhone cases and iPhone and reviews and what's on my iPhones. And I have a whole playlist on my iPhone videos. If you want to go watch them, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So the first brand from Amazon that I'm going to be talking about is called ICESWORD. So they sent me these two iPhone cases to review for you guys. These could be a dupe for like the Apple original cases. Obviously they don't have the MagSafe thing to it, but if you are looking for a affordable version, these are really good. I'm going to talk about another one that looks like these as well from another brand if you like. This one is in gray and this one is in pink. On the inside they have like the brand name, and the case is really soft on the inside. And I do want to say that this case, it's not that stiff, so it doesn't have like a fully hard case in the back. So it is a hard case, but not so much. It does bend quite a bit. So if you like that, these will be perfect for you. Let's go ahead and try them on. I already used this one, the pink one, and I loved it. So this is how it looks. This is the gray one. Okay, so what I can see from this iPhone case, it does protect the cameras really well, and it does protect all the sides, but I do have to say that it's not like the most protective case. So if you do like drop your phone a lot, not sure if this is the one for you, but I'm gonna talk about another one that is perfect for that. And this is the pink one. They do really look like really sleek. And this is like a silicone material, so if you don't like that material, this is not gonna be for you. But if you do like it, these are perfect. I used this pink one for I think like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, and it was actually perfect. I did drop my phone. I always drop my phone, and I did drop my phone with this case because I always drop my phone. And it protected my phone, my screen, and my camera as well. So my camera didn't get like scratched or anything. And I do want to say that I do have a screen protector on, and it's very, very important. Okay, so these cases are $18. So it's 18 each, not the two of them. I think it's a little bit pricey for like the actual case. So these cases could be like a more affordable, cheaper side to the Apple original cases. So the next brand that I wanted to talk about today is DTTO, DTTO, and I have been loving this brand so much because they sent me this iPhone case that I'm going to talk about, and they also sent me a iPad case, which is so great. I talked about the iPad case in my affordable Amazon iPad accessories video, and I already used it and I am so happy with it. So this iPhone case is this one right here. So it's really similar to the ICESWORD one. This is the ICESWORD and this is DTTO. So DTTO has the back of the iPhone case, like a really hard case, and it's not like smooth, so it is hard case. It does protect the sides as well. It also protects the camera on the back. And another thing that I can see, like the difference between the ICESWORD one and this one, is the front. This one, like the front of it, is it's a little bit more protective than the ICESWORD one. The edges like stick out more, which helps like when your phone falls. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm going to, and I'm so excited. It honestly looks so good. And let me get you the price. Okay, so this iPhone case is $12. $12, you guys. That is so crazy, and the quality is really good. This is really good. I am very impressed by the price, very impressed by the quality. $12 for this. It's insane. It's really good. It's actually really good. When I buy cases from Amazon, I get like scared that they are bad quality when they are that cheap. Congrats to DTTO because very good. That's why I said like the ICESWORD one, they're really good quality, but kind of on the pricier side of affordable, I would say. But yeah, if you're looking for a silicone, like very simple iPhone case, these brands, really recommend them. I like the color range that they have so many colors for these cases. Go check out ICESWORD and DTTO. Very impressed. Is ESR. So I have worked with ESR before, and I worked with them with like my iPad cases. They sent me 2 different iPad cases and a screen protector for my iPad, which I was so in love with. I am in love with the screen protector. It's so good. And now they sent me some iPhone accessories, some iPhone cases, and one accessory that I'm so excited to try. So let's talk about the iPhone cases first. So they gave me 2 different iPhone cases. They are both clear. So the first one I have been using for like 3 days now, 4 days. So if you can see, it has kind of like sparkles, and I really like how they protect the camera. So yeah, this is the one that I'm currently like using on my phone. It looks so nice. Like I love how it looks with the camera. I love this part. I do have to say that this particular iPhone case, not really protective on the sides nor like the front part. So yeah, really important information. It's not protective. I wouldn't say it's protective. I did want to mention that because it is not protective. The only protective thing about this case is the back, like the camera, which made me like angry honestly, because how can you make the camera so protective and the front is just like no. I do have to say that I did like 10 minutes ago drop my phone with this case. It did survive. It's more of like a cute clear glittery case that you can use. You can put things on the back. Besides that, I actually really like it. Okay, so this iPhone case is $12.99, which really good price. Okay, next iPhone case is this one right here, and you are probably wondering what the heck is this? So this is why I chose this iPhone case, because it kind of intrigued me. So basically you open this, and the idea of this case is for your case, like your phone, to stand. Like you can stand your phone, if that makes any sense. One thing that I really want to mention is this case is really protective. We all know I love this so far. This case is protective on the sides, so that is a plus. Really excited about that. It's clear, so I can put anything I like in here. I also wanted to mention that this one is a little bit heavy. So it's a little bit heavy because of the metal thing right here. You can basically stand your iPhone with the case. It's so cool. The quality of the metal, like the metal thing to like to stand the phone, is really high quality. I have been wanting to get like a iPhone like stand, like an actual iPhone stand, but now I don't have to because I have a case that stands by itself. Okay guys, so those are all the cases that I am going to mention today, but I still have an item that I'm so excited to try and so excited to tell you guys if it works or not. Okay, so this item is practically this little thing that you can also stand, and it comes with its cable because it is a charger for your iPhone. So I'm going to try this real quick and I will tell you if it works. So obviously you need to have like the recent iPhones, I think, to have like the MagSafe put in your iPhone, you know what I mean? I don't know a lot about the MagSafe thing, but you know what I mean, like the magnet. So you guys, I tried the charger and I was so impressed. It is honestly such good quality, and I was also like intrigued if it would work with a iPhone case on like the iPhone. And it totally did. I tried the charger with every single iPhone case that I showed you today and it worked. So this could totally be a dupe for the original, like the Apple MagSafe charger. This little charger right here from ESR is $17.99. You guys, like, so affordable. I'm so excited that I got to share with you today all of these items, and I hope you guys found some new iPhone cases. If you already have a case, you can definitely go pick this little charger up at the ESR Amazon store, and I am so pumped to try all of these out like constantly. And obviously thank you so much to all of the brands that sent me these items. I am so glad, and I loved working with you guys. You are so nice. All of you are so nice. Hope you got some new things. Links are down below, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We are at 3,200 subscribers. So crazy. Thank you so much for everyone new. Hi. I am so pumped that you're here. So you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. You with flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care that everyone was watching you moving.